So here is this interesting app called FaceLab, Face Editor Age Swap. So yeah, this is the app which you can use for very practical reasons. Of course, you can just play just for fun and design all these avatars. But for example, you want to color your hair, or as a guy you want to figure out, do you want to grow a beard or not? And then with this app you can just style and design different types of beards on your photo, and then you will just see how it looks like. So it's pretty practical app and is growing in the top charts. There is another app in this category called FaceApp, and then you can just tap continue. You can add all of these features, and then they push you to upgrade to premium. There is a free trial, but here you can just so for example, I can just give access to some of my selfies. Then let's see, and then for example, what you can do here, you can just change the color of your hair, see how it looks like. Unfortunately, that requires a premium subscription, but then you still have some free filters which you can try out just like that. So yeah, you can just try some age, so you can see how you can look like cool old, for example, or old, or just junior, teenager, all of these filters. So something like that. Gender, you can change gender, add more masculinity. So for example, let's just have, if you want to completely swap and just have for fun, play fun with your friends, again you will need to upgrade. So here then you can reshape, you can add classic glasses, you can create a cartoon. So these are kind of the main filters you can try out. So you can just give access to your photos, and then you can just try out some of the showcase filters as well in this app. Almost ready, and then you can just, anyway, you can play with it. It can be pretty addictive. FaceLab Premium. And then let's see what's the price would be if you really want to try it out. It's 3-day free trial, so it means after 2 days you can easily cancel it without being upgraded. And then there is $4.99 per week, which you can try. It's $20 per month, so definitely worth a try. And then just to discover all these filters. And then there is reshape, but that's only in the premium. So yeah, that's basically an idea. You can enable dark theme here, support. They also developed this Tune app. So yeah, FaceLab is one of the alternatives to FaceApp. There are some rumors on internets that FaceApp is actually not that safe and secure to use. So a lot of people are looking for alternatives, so maybe FaceLab is better. But as with all of these apps, because you're giving access to all your selfies and maybe some personal photos, just be really careful what data you're sharing. And yeah, I can't guarantee you 100% safety with data on these kind of apps. So because you don't even create an account, so frequently asked questions. So you can see how to delete your account. I don't know, it's not even says it here. You can always reach out to their support if you're concerned about your data. Customer support anyways, so yeah, that's basically an idea.